Good afternoon, everyone. Some cloud cover outside. It is cool, and we are awaiting some rain. We've had a little bit of drizzle for some spots over the last day or two, but here's a look at that satellite radar currently with cloud cover and cooler temperatures for a lot of us. Even a big drop out through parts of the IE, 8 degrees cooler in Riverside from where we were yesterday. Highs today, they're going to be cool in the 60s for places like the beaches, LA, Inland Orange County, the valleys, the Inland Empire. We have upper 50s in the high desert. Some sunshine there, and for the mountains also in the low 50s this afternoon. So let's take a look at that satellite radar tracker. We are awaiting some rain. We could be talking about a little bit of rain again, just a little bit of patchy drizzle as we head into late tonight and early tomorrow. But the main event that is expected by later in the day on Thursday into the early part of Friday. So we have some heavy cells moving through. We could get some good amounts, about 1 to 2 inches for coasts and valleys and 2 to 4 inches for some of our mountain areas. We could also be talking about snow. It's going to stay mostly in those higher elevations above about that 7,000 foot level. But this unsettled weather pattern will continue still with us over the weekend. So we'll see periods of rain as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Here's a look at your forecast at a glance this afternoon. Again, not much warming expected. We're expecting to top out in the 60s. And here's a look at tomorrow morning. It's going to be a cool one as well. 40s and 50s for most of us, 20s if you are up in the mountain communities. Here's a check of those winds. So right now, not seeing a whole lot of activity, but those winds will ramp up as that storm moves through. You'll see it here in our FUTURECAST as we head into Thursday. We're starting to see those strong winds in those higher elevations, those mountains and deserts, especially by Thursday afternoon. And as we head into your Friday, still Friday morning, again, that's going to be the prime time for that storm moving through. And we'll see those strong winds as well. So we'll talk about temperatures, that 7-day forecast. How long will the rain stick around? That's coming up in a few minutes. Ross.